Hello, we are here with another challenge. This time it's repeat a string. We have to repeat the string that is the first parameter for a number of times. That is the second parameter. So if we have ABC and 3, we have to repeat the string 3 times. So ABC, ABC, ABC. And the same goes for the rest. Let's begin first with the result word, which is going to be an empty string first. Here on this occasion I'm going to do it with a for loop, because I think it's the cleanest way in this situation, because we are talking about numbers, about iteration by numbers, and we don't have an array or something like that. So I think it's the best way here to use a for loop. So let I equals 0, I must be smaller than the number of times, otherwise it has to stop, and we're going to increment by 1 after every iteration. And yeah, we're going to just do plus equals, not word, result word. We're going to do plus equals string, and then return the result word. Let me check. Yeah. So what we are doing here is basically we get our starter, which is the result word, which is empty first, but then we are filling that up with the string that we are being fed here in the function, and it's gonna be added to the result word as many times as number. And I'm saying as many times, even though we say here stop just before it reaches num, so before it reaches the target number, because since we start from 0 and we have 3, it's going to be 0, 1, 2, so 3 iterations in total. ABC, 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 and then that result word, we're just going to return it. So I think this is a simple way of doing it. I hope you understood everything. If not, leave a comment, and if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you, and until next time.